if you think the image quality is not good, you can adjust the LTGC and adjust the image quality. Now it's never we freeze this machine. Okay, let me choose one function and show you how to use our function. Such as obstetrics, we press it and choose HC 5, number 5, and press left and press middle, press left, press it again. Okay, we can get the result. And we press this button, color. We press color. This is pseudo color. It will show. It shows different color screen. Okay, if you want to use the other probe, you need to press this button probe and change the probe different probe mode. This is for convex use, and this is for transvaginal probe use mode, and this is for linear probe use mode. This is convex and microconvex probe use. Okay, and our machine has different functions, such as L room. It is room the part of image, and dream in, dream out. It is for save images, such as, and the USB function is save image or report, and the focus body mark, let me clear it. You can see the body mark is different. You can choose according to your requirements. Our machine supports English language, so it is very easy to operate. If you want to if you want to buy one ultrasound machine, welcome to choose it. We will provide 18 months warranty for this machine and 12 months for the probes. Thanks.